Yeah, good afternoon. Namaste. Our property is not working. Uh, s- like this, it will not work. Multiple times you need to target. Multiple times you need to target, Avinash. Yeah, guys, what we discussed in yesterday's class? Inside that you are writing, right? Has discount float greater than it. That one, it will not work there. Again, you need to write that one. Internal one. Has discount float greater than a you wrote, right? That one you need to write again. There it will not work. Data types and the operators. How many data types we have? How many data types, Ray? What are they? Primitive and the non-primitive data types. What are the primitive data types we have? Number, string, Boolean, undefined, begin, null. Next one, primitive, non-primitive data types. Only object. What is the differences between the primitive and non-primitive data type? Primitive stores the value, okay. Non-primitive stores the references. Next, which one immutable? Huh? Primitive is immutable. Huh? Non-primitive is what do you mean by mutable? What do you mean by immutable? Mutable means change. Immutable means uh, not change. Yeah. Okay, next. Next. Primitive data types used for the non-primitive is used for the complex queries. Till now clear? How many? What do you mean by operator? What do you mean by operator? Combination of both. Combination of both operands and the operators is nothing but a operators. Types of operators we have arithmetic, huh? Arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, ternary operator. These are all the 5 types we have. Now today we are going to discuss about the typecasting. Today we are going to discuss about the typecasting. Now what do you mean by typecasting, ma? Typecasting you can call, type conversion also we can call. Anything is the same only. Typecasting and the type conversion is also both are the same to same only. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by typecasting and type conversion? Okay, what do you mean by typecasting? Changing from one data type to a ternary pending array. We'll discuss that one. Converting one data type to the another data type is nothing but a typecasting. Okay. So I will write the definition. Converting the one data type to another data type is nothing but a typecasting or type conversions you can call. Now, how many types of type conversions we have? Totally, we have a two types. We have a two types of type conversions. We have a two types of type conversions. What are they? Now, first one we will call it as a implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion means automatically internally only it will be converted automatically, everything done. That is nothing but a implicit type conversion. Now next one, explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion and the explicit type conversion, these are the two. Explicit means externally we are telling like that you need to convert to this particular method, this particular type. Is it clear, ma? How to do that one? So simply I will write one thing, ma. Let data 1 equals to, I'm writing it as a ABC. Okay. Along with that, I'm writing the data 2. Data 2 equals to 220. So I'm writing console log of A plus, sorry, data 1 plus data 2. What output I will get? What output I will get? Tell me, guys. Error. Concat. Uh, error concat. Type error. Offline people, how many of you error? Raise your hands completely. Okay. Any other answers here? Sir, incompatible type error concat. Okay. So actually it will do the concatenation. Actually it will do the concatenation. It means ABC 220. We will get the output. You can check BC 220. We are getting the output here. What is happening here? Whenever you are adding with some strings, definitely the next data type also adding as a string only. Here I'm telling that like that to convert to string. No, right? Implicitly it will only converting. This is nothing but a implicit typecasting. This is nothing but a implicit typecasting. Now on this only some logical questions we will see now. Okay, ma. Now you understand that what did you mean by implicit typecasting? So in this based only some interview logical questions are there. We will see those things now. So what I will do here, console log of 10 greater than 8 greater than 1. True or false? True or false? True, true, true. Here, true. How many of you true? Raise re completely re. Sir, if we add semicolon last, I will get error. You are not. No, ma, you will not get any error. So everybody is true only, right? False. What I am telling, implicit typecasting. So here, now I will divide that code, what I wrote. Okay? I will divide that one. Let value equals to 10 greater than 8. Okay? Console log of value. What it is returning? True only, right? It is returning me the Boolean value. If I want to convert it to the number means what is the true value? 1 only, right? False means 0. True means 1. Now you can write here in this place 1 is greater than 1. Na? False only, right? Clear this logic now? How it is working? Interview question ma this was IBM. IBM only, yeah? Yeah. IBM interrogation it was. Logical part. Okay. Nothing is just he wrote the only the how many line of code it was? One line of the code. You need to split that entire code ma. Check it carefully. Is it clear ma? Is it clear? Now I will write the one more. Console log of 1 greater than 8 less than 1. Now true or false? True. Pakka true only, huh? How many of you true? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining false, huh? Here, how many of you are false? How many of you true? False. False, false, false. Okay, just tell me why it is false, why it is true. Okay. Okay. That is true, huh? Or false, huh? Finally, what output I will get? True only. Your is true condition. Okay, false on why it is false. Tell me, Re. Why you are knowing it as a false, sir? Now again true. Because 1 is greater than 8 is a false. So that is 0. 0 is less than 1. It is true, Re. False condition I want. Someone telling false. Na Durga. Why it is called false? Why you Nikhil? So we'll check that one. It is a true only. Till now clear all of you? Huh? Okay. Now these type of logical questions might be chances are there to ask for you. Note it down. Note it down here. Choice is yours. Okay. One more. What output I will get? What output I will get now? Okay. Before going to this one, I will teach you one more small concept here. True the values, false the values. Okay. We'll check what are the true values we have, what are the false values we have. Then true. It will not return you true or false. Right? So 5, why? Uh, uh, Add one. You go with that principle. Okay, anything fine. Answer I want. So, true the values. both positive, then last one print. True the values. What are the true the values we have? Means number. Number value. It means 5, 10, 16. Sir, how can you tell that? Let number equals to 20. Console log of Boolean of number. What it is returning? Line number 25. This one only, right? If inside the variable number is there, means it is a true value only. It is a true value only. If I have here empty string, only empty string ma. What it is returning? False. Now what are the values? False values. Empty string is the false value. Number is a true value. If inside this empty string only I add space, now it is a true value. It is a true value. So here I am writing any string. Any string is nothing but a true. If I will give the value as a 0, now what it is it? False ray. 0 means false only na. 1 means true we have. Number digits is different. 1 and 0 is different ma. So if you have a 0 means it is a falsy value. If it is a 0 means you have a falsy value. 1 means true. I will apply the 1 here. It is nothing but a true value. If I will apply the empty array, this one will call it as a array ma. Empty array is also a true value only. So comma empty array. Empty object I will try now. Empty object. Now you can check empty object is also a true value only. Okay ma. Now here I am writing as a undefined. Undefined. This is also one data type for us, right? Now you can check what it is returning for me. False. So it means undefined is a falsy value. Null I will write now. Null. Null is also a falsy value only. Null is also a falsy value only. Now according to this, tell me the answer for this now. According to the scenarios you have right now, above one true the values, falsy values. According to that, tell me the output for that. True or false? True means y. Okay, it will not return a true. Either it will return a 4 or 5. Now only I am telling. The condition which you are telling is a true only, exactly. But it will return a value for you. Which value it will return? I am asking that one. Which operator I am using there? AND operator. What is the AND operator functionality? Both the condition should be true. Then only it will work, right? So now is it both the conditions are true or false? True only. Then what value it will return? Both are true only, ma. Why it is returning 5? Answer 5, I think. Why? Guys, these all are what questions I am asking. 6 LPA, 7 LPA, 4.5 LPA questions. Different companies, they are asked this type of questions. Okay? Now tell me. Five. One thing here you can observe, AND operator while we are using, it will check both the conditions are true or false. If the both the conditions are true, then only it will execute, right? Here also both the conditions are true. True the condition, next value it will return. It means Here the condition is true, right? Yes or no? It will return you a value as a 5. Sir, how can you say that, sir? Now you can check. Now what it will returning for me? What is the condition I told? True the value. Next one it will return. Now 4 is a true value, right? 4 is the next value. What is that? 0. Is it clear, Mano? How it is working? True the values. Next value. If I will write like this. Now 0 only. Okay. Now I'm writing here as a 7. Now 0 is a false, right? 0 is a false condition only, right? What I told Boolean of 0 when you are giving, it is a returning you a false. Guys, don't get confused. If you're getting value 1 means true. 0 means false. You know, right? Digital numbers, right? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 we will call. Same thing. 1 is a true, 0 is the false one. Here in this condition, what I wrote, both the conditions are true. Due to that reason, I got a 5. Okay, here you can satisfy that condition. In the second scenario, what I told, one is a true condition, one is a false condition. So, what will happen here? What I told in this scenario, if the first condition is true, then it will return the next value. Previously also happening like that only, now also it is happening like that only. Now in the third case, what is happening here? First condition only false. Then it will check the next condition. Huh? No, right? It will not check the next condition, right? Due to that reason, you are getting the 0 only. Is it clear, all of you? All of you clear? Yeah. Now next scenario. Console log off. Now what output it will return? Huh? 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5 game is there. Huh? 4, 4. Why re 4? Everybody is telling 4. 1. Ah, Sushil is 1. Any one true, sir. Okay. Any one of the true means? 0. True. Ah. Offline people, what output we will get? 4. How many of you 4? Stick on for 4. Ah, only 1. Remaining 1? 5, ah? Okay, we will check. 4 only. Why it is returning you a 4? That is a question right now we have. So, which operator I am using in between ma? OR operator. What is the OR operator scenarios? If any one of the condition is true, it will return that value. Now here you can 4 and 5 both are the true conditions only. Already a condition is true. Is it check will second condition? Huh? No, right? Okay, very nice. Now 4, huh? Okay. Now also 4 only, huh? 4. Is it clear, ma? True the values it will return. True the values it will return. How you need to check the true the values? Like this you need to check, ma. Okay, before anything you are executing also, you need to check whether it is a true or false. It's that conditions are there, ma, you will not equalize that one also. It means if you are equalize this one, if it is a true, then only you need to execute. Directly we are writing some conditions are there. This all we will call it as a implicit typecasting. Anywhere I'm typecasting that one. Huh? See your Boolean values I showed you, right? How it is typecasting itself only. If you observe carefully in the how many scenarios? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Six scenarios are there. In these six scenarios, anywhere I'm using explicitly, you need to convert like this. No, right? This is nothing but a implicit typecasting. Guys, all the six scenarios is very, very important scenarios, which is asked in the Accenture, IBM, TCS, Amazon questions. This all. Okay. Recently, also they asked these questions inside interviews. So make sure that logically should be little bit. You need to improvise yourself. Okay. Is it clear, guys? No. What no, re? For which question it is no? Okay, explicitly. Okay, then done. Fine. Yeah, guys, is it clear this one? Shall we move to the explicit typecasting now? Shall we move on? Okay, guys. Now, explicit typecasting. Second one is explicit typecasting. Now, explicit typecasting means explicitly only we are typecasting the data. Explicitly we are typecasting. How to move that one, sir? Shortcut, Ray. Okay, explicitly typecasting. How to utilize that one? Okay, you want to note? Okay, note it down, Ray. Then fine. Guys, if you want to note means you can note it down, right? They want to note that this data. You want to write it down, huh? Already done. Nice, Ray. Pro. Which one, Ray? I will use so many shortcuts, Ray. Which one shortcut you want? Some magic, sir. I use so many shortcuts right here. Now only I use two shortcuts till all. First to do manually, then go for the shortcuts. Okay? Daily to not that many shortcuts are there. Overall, copying, moving, content creating. 5 to 10 are there, my guess. That's it. Everything I can't remember. When I will utilizing it came to my fingers only. Yeah, magic fingers. I don't know, Ray. You need to ask my fingers only. Are you genius, sir? Don't know. For this JavaScript, I'm a genius. I know that. I have that much of confidence. Sir, what is the shortcut of selecting multiple lines for command? Select all and control slash. Control plus forward slash. Yeah. Yeah, guys, done. Done, all of you. Yeah, Sushil, done here. Anybody is there till writing? Yeah. Magic blue genius. Ah, okay. Genie. Ah. Magical blue genie. Okay. I'm not staying in the lamprey. Genies. Yeah, guys. Next one. Nothing is there. That's it. Next one is a explicit typecasting. For the explicit typecasting, also totally we have a two things: string and number. String and the number. How to convert to the string? How to convert to the numbers? Those things we need to understand. So for that, first we will discuss about the number one. Number of. First one is in that number of. Now second one we have a parseInt. ParseInt. Now, what is the use case of this parseInt? It will extract only the yes ma parseInt. Okay. Yeah, I wrote right only. I know the syntax is Ray. PRASC. So it will extract the only the integer values. It will extract only the integer values. Now, what why sir you are writing like this? Means sometimes we are writing right 10.25, 10.5, 10.11, 10.0.1 like that. So it will accept only the integers. What is the integer value here? 10. Not only from here also, from string also it will accept like that only. From the string also it will accept like that only. Sir, if I want to accept the decimal values also, so at that time you need to use the parseFloat. ParseFloat of. It will extract the data up to only one decimal point. Up to only decimal point. Up to only one decimal point. Okay, phrase int. Fine. Phrase int. Phrase float. Is it clear, guys? Yeah. Now, how to utilize this? Now, how to utilize these things? Let number equals to I'm writing as a 123. Now, what is the data type of this one, ma? What is the data type of this? String only, right? It is a data type is nothing but a string. Now you can use console log of type of number. Type of num. If you observe here, what we are getting? String only. Now, but it is a, if you can observe, it is a number value only, right? But it is writing inside the string. But I want to convert it number. How to convert that one? Let number data. Number data equals to number of num. So if you can check console log of number data. Console log of number data. Now you can check what it is giving. 1, 2, 3. It is properly coming right for us. So if I check the type of this one, type of number data, type of number data. Now you can check. Firstly, it is string. After that, when I'm using that method, that same data will be converted to the number only, right? Here, what I'm telling explicitly, I'm telling like that. You need to convert to the number data type. This is nothing but explicit only, right? Yes or no, ma? This is nothing but a explicit. Is it external? We are forcing to do this one. That's it. Okay. Now same to same. Now one more data I will write. So this is nothing but a number data. Let number 1 equals to string only 12.36 ABC. Now it is a pakka proper string only, right? Because I have a ABC also, it is a pakka string only. But in this I have a number data is there, right? What is that number data, ma? 12.36. When I ever use a phrase in here, let number data 1 equals to number data 1 equals to phrase int of what I need to write number 1. Now we will check what it is retrieving from that console log of number data 1. Now you can check number data 1 37. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now what it is returning, ma? Only 12. Is it retrieving the dot 36? Okay, if I will write here as a forwardly AV. Now where is my number data? In between the characters. Now it will not retrieve that one. Now it will not do nothing because starting and ending are all the characters only. From between we can't retrieve that data. From between we can't retrieve that data. Exactly, it should be starting. Then only we can retrieve that data. Is it clear, ma? Sir, I want that decimal value also. I want that decimal value also. Simply console log of parse float of airs float of num1. Now you can check 12.36 up to one decimal only, ma. It means one decimal only means 3 not, ma. How many is there up to one decimal? So again, if I will use one more decimal, now two decimals are there right now. So it will not extract two decimals. It will extract only the one decimal. many is there, it will display. Now you can check. Okay, up to 1 decimal only it will be extraction should be done. Is it clear, all of you? Online people, is it clear, ma? Till now? One more example. In this, convert vice versa. Okay, this thing only I want to number to string. That one only next time I need to discuss, Ray. Hold on, Ray. I will do. Uh, just I converted the string to numbers only. That's it. Because it is a common method for us, all of those things. So, next one. What is the next one? Conversion of the number to the string. Conversion of the number to the string here. So, how to convert that one? How to convert? Now, if you can check here, the data which is presenting inside the number data is the type is number only, right? If I will check that one, console log of type of number data 1. Number data 1. If you observe here, what it is number only, right? Now this thing only I want to convert to the string. So how to convert that string means toString method we need to use. To convert the string, we need to use the toString. ToString of it is used to convert the data into the string. It is used to convert the data into the string. Now next scenario, how to do that one? So simple ma, let string data equals to, let string data equals to number data 1 dot to string of, to string of. Now after that, if I use console log of string data, console log of string data, now you can check here 12. If it is a string data type, we are getting the data in the format of white color. If it is a number, we are getting in the purple color. So if we check that one, type of that, type of string data, type of string data. Now you can check here. That one also we can use, ma. Is it clear, ma? Now one more method is there to convert that one only. Console log of directly string of number data 1. Number data 1. This one also will write to a string only. This is the one more method, ma. This is a one more method to convert. Is it clear, ma, all of you? These all are the methods we have. We are using the type conversion for the explicit one. Explicit type conversion. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah, guys, you want to note it down or else move to the next one. So what are the things we discussed here means first one, type conversion, implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion. Inside that implicit type conversion, how it is behaving due to this true the values and the falsy values we discussed. After that, explicit type conversion means totally three are there: number, parseInt, phrase int, parseFloat. Everything is there. Now parseInt, when we are using the parseInt, it will extract the only the integer values from the string. It should be starting only. It might be ending also. It will not extract the data. It should be in the starting phase. Then only it should be extracted. Same to same parseFloat means if we use here, what will happen? It will extract the data only up to the one decimal point only. After one decimal point, how many it will extract the data? Again, one more decimal point, if you add it, it will not extract the data. This is a limitation for the parseFloat. Okay. Once again, explain string to string. String to string, where I did ma? To string. See here, to string is a one method. ToString is a one method which is used to convert the number data type to string data type. That's it. It is a one method normally. This is the data. Now number. Okay, I will use a separate data for you. Can check here. Let number 1 equals to 10. Number 1 is there. Okay, if we can check number 10. Now can I call this one is the number data type only? So this one only I want to convert to the string. Let converted string equals to num1. Num1 is nothing but a 10 only, 10 only, right? Dot I am writing here as a to string. To string I am using of. This is just a one method for us to converting that data. That's it. Now if I use here console log of converting string. Now you can check it is will be converted to the string data type. Previously if you use console log of num1, now you can check it is in the purple color. After converting it is in the white color. It means white color means strings only we will get ma. If you have any issues, we need to check the type also. How to check that one? Type of a converted string. Type of a converted string. If you can check, it is returning you a string only. Is it clear, Shiva now? Yeah. Yeah, guys, one note it down fast. After that, we will move to the conditional statements now. Next one is nothing but a conditional statements. It is not possible, Ray. How many shortcuts are all are the VS Code shortcuts only? I will don't worry. Everything is a alt control with that only everything. You can contact with the admin once, Shiva. Okay, ma, that one we will do. Without CSS, JavaScript not possible, sir. Without CSS only we are doing JavaScript, no, no. Yeah, then it is possible, no? Yeah, guys, done, na? Shall I move to the conditional statements now? I'm already teaching React Ray, but I don't have any online classes for that. Only offline is there for this batch. Okay, guys. Next one is nothing but a conditional statements. Sushil, not it completed, huh? Just a second, I will open it again. Fine, huh? Okay. So, conditional statements. Conditional statements. Now, what is the use case of conditional statements? Yeah. What is the use? Why we are using conditional statements? Simple agenda. To create a conditions. To create a conditions, we are using the conditional statements. To create a conditions, we are using the conditional statements. Is nothing but a conditional statement. Simply we will call. Okay. Now what? How many ways we can create? What are the ways we have? Equally distinct. Okay. Anything fine, Ray. That one also. So first one in that, my suggestion is after one only, Ray. At least you need to do the base, how it is working. There, nothing, they will not guide anything there. Directly, they will write the codes in the React. They will not touch any basic concepts again and again. Okay, guys. Now, first one is the if condition. If condition. Now, what do you mean by this if condition? It contains only the true block. It will contains only true blocks. Whenever we are using any condition, it might be two cases are there. It has having the true case also, false case also. If it is a true means how it should behave. If it is a false means how it should behave. Both we are only deciding that one. Now we have right. If the plan is executed, we need to do like this. If it is not executed, we need to do like this. Yes or no? Especially when project presentations are there. Yes or no? One fellow is there who knows very good communication, very good explanation in your batch. If that fellow is not there, this fellow will go. You did or not did? You will not go there. We need to save ourselves from there. Yes or no? So that type of conditions only here. So if condition means the here it is only the only one and only true condition. If it is true, then only it will execute, or else it will not execute anything. That is nothing but a true. What is the syntax of the if condition now? Syntax of the if condition. First, we need to use the if keyword. First, we need to use the if keyword. After that, open the brackets. Here, you need to write the condition. Here, you need to write the condition. After that, you need to use the curly brackets. Inside that, we need to use the code. It means what I want to execute. This part is there, right? This one only we will call it as a true block. This one only we will call it as a true block. Now, what is the difference between here and Java is same to same? In Java also you are writing same like this only, right? But Python people, what you will do, you guys are doing the indentations there. Anybody is here a Python? You are doing this indentation only, right? What do you mean by indentation? Enter space. That is nothing but indentation. Here we are not using the indentations now. We are using the curly brackets in the space of the indentations. Is it clear? That's it. Working, everything is the same only. Working and everything is a same to. If the condition is true, then only this code will be executed. Else it will not execute anything. Okay. This is nothing but a if condition. Now second one is the if and else condition. If else condition. Now what do you mean by this if else condition? Means this condition having the both true and false. This one in this case, what is happening? We have a both true condition and the false condition. Both we have. Both we have. Now, what will happen here? What is the syntax of this? Syntax of this means first we need to write the if only. After that, I need to write the condition. So below, if you can check code. After that, we need to write the else. Now here, what is happening? If the condition is true, then this will be executed. If the condition is false, then this will be executed. Is it clear, ma? If we caught, we need to do something else. If we are not coding, we need to do something else. That's it. Okay, ma? Is it clear? This is nothing but a if else condition. This block is a true block. This block only we will call it as a true block. True block. This one we will call it as a false block. This one only we will call it as a false block. And third one, we have one more, is there if else ladder. What do you mean by ladder, ma? Nichen, right? To go up. Now, why when we need to use this if else ladder means if you have to check the multiple conditions. If you want to check the multiple conditions at that time, we are using this if else ladder. So simple example, previously we have so many times you will see in the example in the practice questions also. What is that one means? If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then you need to print this number is divisible by both 3 and 5. If the number is divisible by only 3, only 5. Now you can check how many conditions here I need to check. Three conditions, right? What is the first condition? Given number is divisible by 3 and 5 or not. If it is not divisible by 3 and 5, then check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. If this one is also not working, then check further it is divisible by 5 or not. If it is not working, then the number is not divisible by 3 and 5. How many conditions here we are checking? Three conditions. If we need to check the three conditions at that time, we need to use the if else ladder. If we want to check the multiple conditions at that time, we are using the if else ladder. We are using the if else ladder. Is it clear, ma? Now, what is the syntax for this? What is the syntax for this? Means first we need to write the if, after that condition. After that, we need to write the code here. So if the condition is not working, else again if of condition. Again if of the condition. Again I need to use the code here. Again else if. Else if of the condition. Now again we need to write the code here. At the last, it means n number ma. We answer only two conditions, not like that. If you have a 10 conditions, you can write 10 conditions. But example I'm taking here. At the last, you need to use the else here. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a if else ladder. This is nothing but a if else ladder. Now last one, fourth one, we have a switch case. Now switch case. Now what do you mean by the switch case? It is also checking the multiple cases only. It is also used for the checking the conditions only. It will also, okay, we will not write like this, ma. So here it is also checking for the conditional but different manner. In this switch case, in the switch case, it will compare the values. It will compare the values. Now, what do you mean by comparing, ma? What do you mean by comparing? If the both the values are same, then only we need to use, right? Conditions is different. First condition we are writing, we are getting the output according to that. But here comparing the values. In the switch case, we need to do the comparing the values. How to do that one? So, symbol. Here I need to write the switch of. Here we need to write the value. To which value I want to compare. To which value I want to compare. Here we need to write that one. After that, inside that cases will be start. Case, here we need to write the that condition, whatever you are calling ma, here we need to write that one. Here we can write as the value slash condition, anything fine. After that, colon. After that, you need to use the curly brackets, code you need to write. After that, after this one, you need to use the break keyword. After that, you need to use the break keyword. Sir, what is the use case of this break? If that particular value or condition is satisfied, this case will be executed, ma. After that, what will happen? It will exit from the switch case. It will exit from the switch case. If you are not mentioning that one, what will happen? Again and again it will be get executed. It means first case completed, it will go for the second case again. Second case complete, third case, fourth case complete, fifth case. If the condition is already satisfied in the first case only, it will not stop there only. It will check the all the conditions. Is it clear, ma? Due to that reason, we need to use the break keyword here. Sir, how many cases? N number of cases you can write. So this is a case 2. Again, if I want one more case, I can write case 3. But last, you need to use the default. But at the last, you need to use the default case. Code. It means if any one of the case is not satisfied, at that time we are using this one. At that time we are using this one. Is it clear, ma? Now, along with that, we will see the ternary operator now. Okay, we'll see the syntaxes, ma. Don't worry about it. We'll execution also we can do. First, we'll see the syntaxes of the ternary operator. I told parallelly we will do that one. What is the syntax? We know condition, question mark, true block, false block. That's one only, right? So that is nothing but a can I call if else condition, that one? Yes or no? Now ternary operator. So here I will write the TO syntax. Ternary operator syntax, ma. How to write that one? Condition. Condition. Here I have only true block only, right? This one. Okay, I will write Ray. First complete this one parallel. If you know the syntax, then I will go for the codes. Don't worry about it. Definitely I will execute. All I will execute. Okay. Condition after that. Here I have only true block only, right? Here I don't have any false block. To satisfy this one, after the condition, you need to use the ampersand ampersand. And after that, here you need to write the true code. What code you want to execute. Okay, ma? This one only we will call it as a short circuit method. This one only we will call it as a short circuit method. Only true. If the condition is true, then it will work. That's it. Or else it will not work anything. Is it clear, ma? So here I will write as a true block like that. True block. Is it clear, ma? Now next one. If else condition only, right? Now here also we will write here. Ternary operator syntax. Ternary operator syntax. How to write that one? Again condition. Okay. This time we need to use a question mark. This time we need to use a question mark here. True block. True block colon. True block colon false block. True block colon false block we need to write. Is it clear? True block colon false block we need to write here. Still now clear? Next one. What is the next I have? If else ladder only, right? So here also ternary operator syntax. How it is should write here. Now you can check here how to write. First you need to write the condition. First, you need to write the condition, question mark you need to write. After that, again here you need to write the true block. Okay. Till now is normal, it is working, right? But here in the colon, after that, what you need to write here means condition again. Again, you need to write the condition. If you observe carefully, else if only, right, is there. So it is my false block only now. Yes or no? It is my false block. Condition question mark again. Because condition we are checking, right? Condition question mark true block. So I will show you like this, ma. True block. Again, I have a false block is there, right? Again, I have one more condition is there if I have. So what I will do? Again, same to same work. Okay. At last, sir, after that, like this, you can write the n number of conditions are there, ma. At the last, you don't have any directly arise the false condition, false block. False block. That's it. This is nothing but a ternary operator conditions. This all or we will call it as a ternary operator conditions. Is it clear, all of you? Now, switch case is normally only. Switch case is an individual like this only. But sir, why we are using the ternary operators means in React is there, ma. In React, it will not support the normal if else conditions, ma. In React, it will not support for the if else condition. We are writing right normally if and else. It will not support in the React, but due to that reason, we need to use the ternary operator. Ternary operator will support for us. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Online people, syntax is clear for you? Yeah. Okay, guys. So, execution we will do in the tomorrow session. Is it clear? Executions we will do in the tomorrow session. The time is over for start also. Just if else condition till we will complete. Remaining will should be pending. So entirely we will execution part should be keeping I am in the tomorrow's concept. Yeah, guys. Is there any doubt in the today's concept? No doubt means tata. Bye bye. We will meet in the tomorrow session again. You can leave, guys.